Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Harmony. And today's video is going to be my second day curly hair refreshing routine. So I showed you guys in my previous video my wash and go routine, so I will link that down below so you guys can watch that one first. And then today is going to be just like how I refresh it the next day. And as you can see right now, it looks a little crazy. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the products that I like to use to refresh my hair. To jump right in and show you guys how I refresh my hair. And so if you guys are interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair out from my little ponytail. I'm just gonna start off by taking my spray bottle. I showed you guys in my previous video, this is from Target. It was like $2.99. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle and I'm just going to spray all over my hair to get it not soaking wet but damp, so that it's easier to work with and put products in. Okay, so now my hair is wet. So it's not like soaked if I would have gone in the shower. It's just kind of damp and easier to work with. But since my curls were already kind of formed, they're just kind of, I'm just refreshing them with the water. So I'm just going to kind of finger comb my hair a little bit and just get out the tangles. You can see that my part is already in the middle, so I don't need to part my hair again, because usually after I part it the first day and my hair dries like that, it usually stays like that. So basically what I want to do is I want to just refresh the curls that I have. So as you can see, I just took that curl and I just kind of twirled it, and you can see like that one. So I'm going to do that to my hair. And remember guys, I already have all the product that I had in my hair yesterday. So that's why I don't really need to do anything crazy, because it already has, my hair already has product in it. So this is the Cantu for natural hair comeback curl next day curl revitalizer, and this is the Diva Curl Mr. Right refresh and extend spray. So basically these are both just curl refreshers. I honestly can't really tell you guys which one I like more. The difference between this one is this one says that you're supposed to spray it on your hair dry, and this one says you're supposed to spray it on your hair when it's moist, which I never actually read that. So I'm going to be using this one today, and this one's also really affordable. So if you're looking for a more affordable version of this one, try this one. If you're bougie, then try this one. This one was like $20, I think, and this one was probably around like $5. But I'm going to just spray this into my hair and just scrunch like it says. Since the bottom of my hair tends to get a little bit more dry, I'm going to push my hair over on the bottom, spray it with the bottle, and I'm going to add a little bit of my conditioner, which is the Garnier Grow Strong Conditioner, which is what I was telling you guys about in my previous video. I'm going to take my Jamaican black castor oil, which is my baby. I love this stuff so much. People always ask me how I grew my hair out so long, and honestly I can't really tell you guys like a definite answer to that, because I take biotin sporadically. Like, I want to say that I take it all the time, but I really don't. I forget all the time, so I don't even really count that. But I have been using Jamaican black castor oil for about a year now, so I guess that helps a lot. It's supposed to help hair growth. So I just take some in my hand and rub my hands together, and I just like to work it into my roots, and then also just like on the tips of my hair, because it is very moisturizing as well. but it also does promote hair growth when you work it into your scalp. So I like to just put some in my scalp and then just kind of scrunch it into my hair. And this one smells so good. I got it from Target for like $3. My hair is so thick that I can't like add too much product. You know, some people like can't add a lot of product because then their hair gets super oily. Not mine. Not mine at all. Since my hair is not soaking wet like it usually is when I get right out of the shower, I am going to diffuse it a little bit just to kind of speed up the drying process a little bit. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hairspray. This is the TRESemme non-aerosol hold hairspray. So I'm just going to spray this all over. Oh, just got in my eyes. Cool. I'm going to take this TRESemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. Damn, I should just be sponsored by TRESemme, right? I'm going to take this and spray it all over my hair, and then that is going to protect my hair because I'm putting heat on it. So this is my hair dryer and diffuser. It's from the brand GVP Pro. I've had it, I'm not even kidding you guys, I've had this blow dryer since like my sophomore year of high school maybe, which was in like 2010. So I've had it for like 8 years and it's still going strong. So pretty much every blow dryer comes with a diffuser part, like it just comes off. And I don't ever just use a hair dryer like this really. So I only use the diffuser part, and what I do is I put it on medium heat and high speed. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to kind of go through my hair for a couple minutes to kind of dry it a little bit more. So this is my completed second day hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys can try some of these products and see if they work for you. Like I said, all products are going to work different with different hair types, and everyone's hair is different. So if what I use does not work for you, then I'm sorry, but hopefully you guys can get a few suggestions for products and try them out for yourself to see if they do work for you. My hair has come such a long way. My hair was bleach ass blonde. It was not cute at all. I was going through a really, really bad breakup when I was in a really, really bad relationship. So, you know, I wasn't really myself. So this is the hair that God blessed me with, and I've learned to embrace it. I used to hate my hair. I used to think that it was so ugly. I used to want straight hair, but now I just learned how to embrace my hair, and I love it. So I'm so thankful to have long, beautiful curly hair. And if you guys have curly hair, I highly recommend that you just embrace it. Curly hair is so beautiful. So if you've ever felt like your curly hair wasn't pretty, or like straight hair was more beautiful, like don't think like that. Just embrace the hair that you have because it's beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below for more videos. Also, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I really want to give you guys good content, and I'm working on lots of video ideas that I have in mind. So if you guys have any suggestions or things that you would like to see from me, or things that you guys would like to see from me and my friends, then just let me know in the comments down below. Also, subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!